Want to log in to NVIDIA with Apple ID? Here's how to do it. First, open your browser and go to NVIDIA's login page. Here you will see an option to log in with Apple. Tap on it. Now you can share your email or hide your email. Choose the one you prefer, then tap continue. You can also choose a different Apple ID here. Now to complete your profile, enter your email address, display name and your date of birth. Once it's done, tap create account. Now to set up your profile, a few options will be shown to you. Click the one you prefer, then tap submit. If the login is not working, go to Apple ID settings and check if NVIDIA is connected. Do you use Apple or PC for gaming? Let us know below. And that's it. You are now logged into NVIDIA with Apple. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.